Hello guys, welcome to my club channel. Yeah, I saw a lot of people, they have a different method. They trying to burn the security tag to take the shirt off. To me, I think it's kind of dangerous, so I just heated up the screwdriver and I'm trying to cut the center part of the pin and take it out. So this is the shirt. My wife bought it and they forgot to take the security tag off, so I'm gonna try to take it off. Okay. And you get your screwdriver, heat it up, and try to cut this one off for him. See, you see the safety pin right here, the middle part? Trying to cut it all around. And then just take it out. This one doesn't have no ink. See, saved me a trip to go back to the mall. And it's out. Alright guys, thank you for watching my Good Love channel. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.